So this is the Stewpeas getting ready. So you know we have to have some pigtail in there. And some chicken foot. Chicken. See? Can't have your Stewpeas without that.
Jamaican style. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is our channel, Jamaica
Is a Series.
So today, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook our Jamaican stew peas and rice. So I'm gonna show you guys how we prep to do our stew peas. In the pan before me, I have my pigtails and my chicken feet. That's the starting of it. I boil off my pigtail because it's a salted one. You can't put it in your stew peas too salty or else you won't be able to eat the stew peas. So you have to boil it off for a number of times before you actually put it along with the peas. We use red peas. With the pigtail and chicken foot, and we put it in the pressure cooker and we cook it. Okay guys, I'm turning the stove on to boil the water for my pigtail. Leave it there for maybe another 20-25 minutes for the water to start being warm, and I'll just put the pigtail in here to scald it off or boil it off. As soon as the pot starts boiling, then I start putting the pigtail in. Yeah guys, so this is the water now. It's warm, almost more than warm. It's at a boiling point now, so I'm gonna put the pigtail in it so I can scald it off. I have to scald this off for about 3 to 4 times, sometimes 5. It all depends on how much salt is on the pigtail. So I put this in, I boil it off, then I throw the water off, and then I put fresh water on it and continue doing it for a couple of times until I know it's fresh enough. I put the peas and the chicken feet in the pressure cooker, and that's the time I start pressuring it. My family, I have a large family, so whenever I'm doing anything that I'm cooking, it has to be a lot because my family is huge and everybody eats. Because as I said, we are Jamaican, so I cook Jamaican food. So this is the peas that I use for my red peas. For my stew peas, I'm gonna soak it overnight in garlic water, and then that should be ready, say by tomorrow. And then I'll put everything together, which I'll show you guys in the pressure cooker, and start pressuring it, and you'll see all of that. Okay guys, so this is what I do with my red peas. I crush the garlic, then I put it in, throw water in, wash everything, the peas and the garlic together, throw the water off, and then put fresh water on the red peas and the garlic and leave that to soak overnight.
So only three cloves of garlic?
You can use more if you want to.
I love garlic, so
I always do a lot of garlic. I'm putting it to soak overnight, so I mean the garlic can just, you know, marinate with it.
Oh, this looks pretty. This looks pretty. Ah, I like it. I like it. I like it.
Okay, guys. So fresh water after I wash the peas, and this is the water that the peas is gonna be soaked in until tomorrow when I put everything in the pressure cooker.
So you want what you want to do, people, is once you get your red peas and you've washed it with your garlic, you soak your garlic overnight. So you soak it for like 24 hours, and then you'll be able to get ready for it to cook tomorrow.
Yeah. By then the peas is gonna swell up as well in the water.
Yes, they're gonna look different.
Yes.
We'll show you tomorrow, right, Mommy?
Oh, yes, guys. We'll finish this off for you tomorrow.
All right, so we're just gonna leave the pigtail to boil so we can boil out some of the salt, because you don't want it to be too salty. You know salt ain't good for you. So you got to get out as much salt as you can. Right, Mom?
Yes. We have to do that.
Yeah, so how many times you boil it? How much time you boil it normally?
4. Yeah, about 4. Sometimes 5. It all depends on how, after I boil it for like 4 times and taste it, if it's fine enough and the salt is not as much as it was before, I'll just cook it that way.
Okay guys, so this is how the peas look. My mom, she usually soaks them overnight. They soaked up all the water, as you can see, and she soaked them in Primento seeds or grains, whatever you guys call them. Y'all know I can't really pronounce anything, like I have an accent, so I just have to go deal with it. All my Jamaicans know what I'm talking about, as well as the fact that she also soaked it with garlic. So this is how it's looking. Some nice delicious red peas, and this right here is the staple, you guys, for stew peas. Okay, if you're not on the peas, I don't know, or you're not proper peas, I don't know what you do with yourself.
Hi guys, again, so the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the peas along with the pigtail and the chicken feet in the pressure cooker, because I'm going to be blending them. I'm going to be pressuring all of them together. So this is what the pigtail looks like. I boiled it off last night like about 5 times, you know, to get the excessive salt out of it. And now I'm putting it in the pressure cooker along with the red peas, because I have to pressure them all together. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use a slow cooker for it also. But for me, the pressure cooker is quicker, so I prefer to use a pressure cooker. This is all my, as I said, my family is huge, so you know I have to cook a lot when I'm cooking. My youngest daughter, she loves stew peas, so yeah. I mean, I love it too, but she loves it more than the ordinary. When I'm done with this, I'm going to put the chicken foot in also, and then I'm going to put it on and in the pressure cooker. Put it on the stove with water, because you have to put the amount of water that you want for the stew peas in the pressure cooker as well. So, because when everything pressures together, the stew peas, everything that I am doing now is going to be in the stew peas. I'm not going to be taking out anything and put it differently, because remember, as I told you, this is stew peas and rice. So I cook the rice separately. You guys have to know you have to clean up your chicken feet as well. You know, cut off all the, you know, the little nails that is on it. I don't know if a lot. Yes, guys, this is the finished product of what I put in to the pressure cooker with the red peas and the pigtail. I'm now going to add the water to it and put the pressure on so it pressures, and then after doing that, I'll put my rice on in my rice cooker, and that will stay there and cook by itself. By that time, I should be able to show you guys the finishing product.
So right now, people, obviously my mom don't know that she has to show you the process. So she didn't show you when she put the flour in the bowl, or how much water she put in it to make the spinners.
Guys, you could put like a cup of flour to like a half a cup of water, but you do not show the water all at once in the flour. You show the water a little bit at a time, and knead the flour in the meantime you're pouring the water.
Sorry.
So, you know, when you do that and the flour is all combined together, this is what the finished product looks like. And you're going to take off little pieces at a time to make your spinners, they call it.
Yeah, we call it spinners in
Yes,
Jamaica.
your
They're just little
spinners, and
dumplings.
you make that and you throw it, you put it in the pot when the peas and the chicken feed and the pigtail is finished cooking. You put these spinners in, season the stew peas up, and leave it there to be thick as how you want it to be.
So how long does it take? How long should they leave it in the pressure cooker? Right?
Yeah, you can have it between 20 and 25 minutes, especially if you have a pressure cooker that is that fast like mine. If I leave it for any time longer than that, everything will just mash out completely. So I have to give it like 25 minutes.
So guys, as you see, my mom started the process without waiting for me to actually document it. I don't know what kind of ghetto fight thing she's doing, because you guys need to know how to make the spinners, which are like, you'll see it. It's dumpling, but we call it spinners because it's made in a different way. So, mommy, how you make this?
A cup of flour to a half cup of water. You do not throw the half cup of water all at once on the flour. You apply small portions at a time until the flour comes together looking like this. When you are ready, when the peas and the chicken feet and the pigtail is done cooking, you are gonna use the spinners. You're gonna put the spinners in. You take off a small piece at a time like this, and you rub it in the palm of your hands like this, and it comes out looking like this. And then you throw it in the stew peas pot. You season it up, and you leave it there to get as thick as you want it to be.
Okay, that's good. But I think we need some light up in here.
It takes.
So let's do, oh, look at that. Look, oh my gosh. The light is now on, people.
It takes like 20 to 25 minutes to pressure, depending on the kind of pressure cooker you're using. For me, with my pressure cooker, I have to check it in the next 20-25 minutes, and if it's not as soft as I want it to be, then I'll put it back to pressure for another like 10 or 12 minutes.
Yeah, it depends on how you like it, guys. I like it really soft, but my stepdad does it, so we have to have a compromise in the house. That's what it's called, spinners, like little spinners. And so there we go. So this then, mommy will just do that until she's finished everything. Like, so, you know.
And also will be putting the rice on into my rice cooker. Let it stay there and cook. By the time the stew piece is ready, the rice should be ready also. So you guys will see the finished product. Again.
And that sound you hear in the back is the pressure cooker sound. You want to be hearing that when you're cooking. So again, my mom did the process without me documenting it. It's difficult, people. It's difficult dealing with this lady. Dealing with this lady is a difficult task. So right now, how many cups of rice you have in here, mommy?
6 cups of rice.
What kind of rice is it?
This is basmati rice.
All right then.
So it's 6 cups of rice to 6.5 cups of water.
Okay.
And you just put it in your rice cooker, turn it on, and you leave it there and it cooks. I'm sorry if I did not do that, but it's kind of, I'm new to this, you know, so I'm not really remembering that we are actually doing the cooking, you know, on the channel. So sorry about that, guys.
Yeah. So, mommy, all you know said this much rice I got deal for the family. So we're a family of like 9, right? We're not little. And a lot of time, people, I'm gonna blast her on the channel. She cooked the rice, and it's not enough to get 2 servings.
Guys,
Because the hungry belly people them in here eat off the rice.
guys, I have some of my kids eats more than some. So this 6.5 cups, 6 cups of rice, this will make it swells up. You know, it doesn't look the same way that you put it in. So it comes out different when it's cooked. So I know her, for instance, doesn't eat a lot. A spoon of rice or maybe a half cup of rice for her, and that's it. And then the kids and myself, they can get 2 servings, yes, but sometimes no. So
Because the hungry belly people them in the family eat off the food, people.
and one of my sons won't be eating this today. Yeah, you know, so he's one less.
Well, more for us. More stew peas and rice. And the funny thing is, my mom is like nicing it up now, saying that, oh, chicken feet. We don't call it chicken feet, people, even though we know it's plural. In Jamaica, we just chicken foot.
Foot.
Even if it's 50, it's chicken
Chicken
foot.
foot.
Even if it's 1, it's chicken
Chicken
foot.
foot.
But she's doing the chicken feet for you people on the channel. Because we don't say chicken feet. Right,
It's a
mommy?
chicken foot. No, it's a chicken foot.
But thank you for putting it up the right way so the people them know. For the Jamaicans them, I got know say we say chicken foot.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be continuing to make my spinach here. Wash my rice and put it on the rice cooker. So I'll catch you later.
So this is what the chicken feet and the pigtail look like, people. Well, my mom again they start the process without letting me document it. It's like it's hard out here dealing with this
Let
one,
me put
people.
it in and then you take off the other one. I run the cold water on it. People, I didn't start it without you guys.
Yes, you did.
This is
Yes, you did.
just now.
Yes, you did.
No, it's not.
You know, like, listen. Whoa, Tommy, you touch it? Take it off, Tommy, and put it in the sink. Take it off and put it in the sink.
Yeah, you know, stewpeas is a long process, people. You know, and I'm just going to throw it in. You know, throw everything in there. See how soft it is.
Be careful, people.
Yeah.
Be careful, people, and don't burn on yourself.
Yeah.
Because this lady is acting like this is not hot. It will burn you. And
Yeah.
she's just like flinging it in there, like
People,
not
I'm
understand.
Jamaican, okay? I'm accustomed to this kind of thing.
Well, all right, me Jamaican, but me not accustomed to the burns. Okay.
Yeah, because you don't cook as much as your mom does.
Exactly. So, because then exactly, I don't want to get burned. This is a bigger pressure cooker, so you put it under cold water. When you take it off, you put it under cold water.
You definitely have to.
Yeah.
You have to put it under the cold water for the cold water to run on it for a couple minutes before you can open it.
Yeah, because the steam
But
will
burn you up.
Will burn you up. So you gotta douse it with cold water to kind of cool it down. All right. So now it's the opening, the grand opening.
Yes. So I'm turning off the pipe.
Yeah, because you don't want to get any
You're right.
in it. So I'm gonna
open it.
See? Look at it
at
boiling.
that.
You see
Look at
that?
that.
That's boiling. Boiling, people. So don't put your face over it or your arms over it because that steam will burn you and you'll get like a second-degree burn. Process is real, people. The process. I have to be even trying to get over someplace for you to see the food, people. And they're telling her, Mommy, you better don't burn me.
No, ma'am. I'm trying not to.
Because, never sue you.
Talk about me burning me, not
Well,
you.
listen, you take on that process when you decided that you're gonna,
That's gonna what?
that's the life you're gonna lead, which is the cooking life. All right, people, me not decide to lead that life they yet. Me take a pause in. Just so that you don't get burned, just use a spoon and spoon in the meat if you have to do 2 pots. If you don't have a big family, you're just gonna always use 1 pot. But our lives consist of using 2 pots all the time, like all the damn time, because of family members, you know. So I'm just helping my mom out. Usually I'm not in the kitchen helping out like these people. I'm not, because me only get toted out to cook on certain occasions, right? And like Christmas or Thanksgiving, or sometimes on a Friday, because my stepdad and mom don't believe in cooking on a Friday. So now, people, we're gonna season the pot, right? We had seasoned it already, but we're gonna really season it with some ground seasoning. Ground seasoning are like thyme, right? Onion, scallion, tomato. That's what Jamaicans call ground seasoning, meaning it comes from the earth. And you know we have to put Scotch bonnet pepper in it, because if you not have Scotch bonnet pepper for putting on the thing, you're not cook stewpeas. You're not even cook curry goat or none of the Jamaican things. Scotch bonnet have to be in there. Rice and peas, Scotch bonnet have to be in there. So we always have to have Scotch bonnet all the time, every day, all day. You want to sit up, boil up, that's it. Ready. Come, mommy, hurry up with the ground seasoning them. Eh?
Yeah, I'm coming.
It ready. See, all right. See, already I cut up. I need more onion than that. Me like a lot of onion, people. I like a lot of garlic. Like, I know you're not putting any more garlic in it. She said she's not putting any more onion either, people.
This is just replacement for, you know.
What happened before.
Right.
You did put onion in that from the beginning?
No.
Right, so, listen, people, just put 1 onion in there, and that should be good enough.
And you don't have to put onion if you don't want to. You can use scallion and thyme. Right. That's it.
So, people, just so you know, you have to wash off your seasoning them. You don't just take them out the package and dash them in. So, mommy just wash off the pepper. She also washed off the onion. Everything that you see going there, that, we'll wash them off. Yeah. All right, so we'll put in 2 Scotch bonnet, and then we're gonna put in the thyme. Down to the thyme, we'll rinse off, right? All right, the Primento them a come. Primento them a come. Now go overhead. Overhead. All right, that's it. That's all the Primento. You don't want to put no more? People, I love a lot of Primento too, right? I just extra. She put in black pepper now, people. Black pepper. All right. You put any other kind of pepper?
No.
Okay, she don't put any other kind of pepper.
Apart from the hot pepper there.
Yeah. All right. Anything else you have put
yes,
today?
All purpose, Jamaican style.
All right. All purpose Jamaican style seasoning is what will go in next. All right, may I put him down, as him need, we need him to catch all the seasoning. The chicken foot, I just push down.
Oh.
All right.
Okay, guys, I'm putting some of our Jamaican grace, Caribbean traditions, all-purpose. That's a very good seasoning to use, and it has no MSG in it.
Yeah, guys, we don't use MSG in our foods.
And I'm also gonna put a little bit of garlic powder.
All right, show them the garlic powder, mommy. Show them the one we use.
Yeah, the badaya. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
No MSG, So I'm stirring in everything, all the seasoning is stirring in, and I'm gonna put my spinners in now, leave it there, to simmer.
As you can hear, the little kid in the background wanted to do his own thing, and because he got a no, the tears started going.
It's a tantrum, So all my spinners are going in. They were made.
You put them one at a time, mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay, you don't want them sticking onto each
Right.
other, people. So why you follow me and dash in one heap, you know, and so you
I never
normally do
followed
it?
you. I wasn't throwing in olive at all.
You're throwing 1, 2, 3, 4 at one time. You normally not do them something. Let me
No.
help you. Let me help her out. See that? Helping out. Please, normally people, me not touch this none at all. And she normally want me for help. But do I help you? No.
No, not necessarily.
I don't. Don't even say not necessary.
No, you're not help. Come when I ask for your help. It's always my husband.
Just move them around.
Yeah.
Hey, that spoon. Don't leave your spoon in the pot, people. Because the spoon get very hot. So don't do it. Don't do what we just do. We normally don't do that. We normally take it out and put it on the pot like this.
Spinny mini. Yes, people. That's what we do. And so you stir it around also in order for them not to stick together in the pot.
People, hey, may I do it with my one hand and I stir with the other? So sometimes the camera angle not there for there. Sorry.
It's almost done though. The spinners, you know. I have to make a lot because people want them spinners.
We love the spinners, people. Especially me, right, Mommy?
Yep.
I'm going to keep telling her.
Complain when you don't get enough.
Exactly. Because me come first.
First come, first serve. Yes.
People on the golden child. She don't want to say it.
Well, yeah, your sister said it the other day already. What more can I say? Yes, so
Back
we're
in the
all
pot,
done.
people. But you see it look good? It look good already and it not even finished.
Putting some more time on it.
Not even finished. So normally now, people, well, that's the rice that's finished. But we normally turn on the vent so the food smell must stay in the house. Because me can't stand the food smell. I love eat the food, but we can't stand food smell. And so we'll vent it out. Normally we'll vent out louder, but because we do this shoot, I'm not vent, but I just want to see the pot a bubble down. And then we're going to leave it and make it cook down. Alright, so my mom likes to clean as she goes. So she cleaning it off the stove because she just, you know, feels the need that she prefers to clean up as she goes as opposed to when she is finished. I am on the opposite vein of that. I clean up when I am done and not while I'm going along.
No, people, I'll do that.
But because of her
now,
and how, you know, fussy she is with the stove, I'll clean off the stove while I'm cooking. But I don't clean up until I'm done.
see, this is almost the finished product, guys. Almost done. Okay guys, so I'm doing the last stirring now, and this is the finished product of my stew peas and rice. I'm gonna dish a plate out and you'll see how it looks.
Okay, so dish out in Jamaica for the people who are not Jamaican. She's gonna share some out, right? So that's what dish out means. So where you start?
Now share some food.
So this is the rice cooker.
I'm getting nice spoon. And here we go.
That's the rice, people. How many cups of rice?
6 cups of rice to 6.5 cups of water.
All right. Let's see. All right, we're gonna keep on the plate. Is this my one?
Yes.
If it is, don't put a lot. You know that already.
Okay.
Take out a little bit.
No, just make it stay.
Okay. All right. You don't have to make people think we're greedy.
No, that's a little bit of food though.
No. See, Jamaicans don't know what a little bit of food means. Right?
See?
All right. Spinners, spinners, spinners. Oh, there it goes, people. I'm gonna take, oh, look at it, look at it. I gotta put it down. Oh my God. I gotta put it down, people. Gotta get my phone out the way. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, people.
And I'm going to give you some food. Just take it up so that.
All right, mommy.
Yes, guys. So this is my last stirring again, stirring everything up. I'm going to be dishing out food for my kids and my grandkids. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Meet us up again in the next one.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Jamaica Is A Series.